Alrighty, we're back here. This is Red Barn Builds 99. So, the surprise we got was the 2016 Mustang GT Premium, 6-speed. It's got the 5.0 Coyote motor in it, making 435 horsepower, with some big fat boys on the back, big tires, things tracked out. It's got a $7,000 Wildwood big brake kit upgrade on it. Yeah, it's got some nice touches to it. Although, the one downside to this car is the motor's blown. This motor has rod knock. It's coming from the sound is coming from this side. The majority of the sound is coming from this side. So most likely it's a rod on this side. Motor's bad. So basically, what I've done is cleared some space out. I've moved some of this mat so that the cherry picker that we're going to use to pull the engine out can roll freely, along with this good old red engine stand that I just got. Facebook Marketplace, $50. So this is what's gonna hold the bad boy, that big engine that only weighs like 450 pounds, which is kind of crazy. So what the plan is, I think the easiest way to do this is going to be to remove the front clip, take the headlights out, take the front bumper off, the front bash bar off, the AC condenser, the radiator, take all that off so that this whole front clip is just out of here. Basically, then we can unbolt the tranny, the drive shaft, unbolt everything, unplug everything, and then it's just as easy as, picking it up a little bit, making sure nothing's hung up, and then just sliding it out. Instead of having to, pick it out, tilt the engine, come out, and, not hit anything. Easier to just take the front clip off. And then it's going to be a full engine, most likely. It's going to be a full engine teardown and rebuild for that bad boy right here. Yeah. This good old engine. And you know what kind of sucks? Not the worst thing in the world, but these newer engines, or this one in particular, doesn't have, or I don't see any hooking points for the chains, for the cherry picker. What I've done, the research I've done is you got to take the intake manifold off, the injector is out, and you got to either buy or make a steel plate that bolts in place of the intake manifold that you can hook onto. So I'm either going to have to get a plate, or, this is Red Barn Builds, I'm probably going to make one. So, probably a 1/4 inch thick steel, something like that, something nice and sturdy. Even though this engine doesn't weigh a whole lot, but better be safe than sorry. So, let's get to tearing the front clip off on this bad boy.
Beats music.
So we got the front bumper off. Ernie. Front bumper's off. Now we're just going to move that out of the way, do a couple other things, and start taking some stuff off.
even real. There's a long and a short. What? Do with that what you will, that information.
But how do you know? Which one was
the short ones are the outside, the long ones are the inside.
Alright, sounds good.
I'm just letting you know.
Nice to know, nice to know.
You moke it down?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
whoa, whoa.
I'll just put them back.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty, so we got the whole front clip pulled off. There's the front bumper, the radiator support, front radiator and AC condenser, the front bash bar, headlights. This is, we got the front clip off there, buddy. Say yeah. Yup. So there's this wiring harness that goes across. I'm not taking that off. So now, basically what we're going to do is unbolt the transmission, then disconnect everything we can from the engine, go get a cherry picker and engine hoist and pull this thing out.